Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Oh my God. With knife! Oh my God, with knife! You're flogging them with knife.
John, look at what Nigerian police is doing at Umunne Road precisely. Because something occurred, something happened last night which we are not sure of. Something happened last night, we're not sure. Something happened, something serious that got the police station burnt. We don't know if it is a Fulani herdsman, we don't know if it is a hoodlum that came to rescue their fellow criminals. We don't know, we're not sure of what happened, but they're aggressive, they are maltreating innocent people as if they are criminals, innocent people that are passing. Look at with knife. Look at what they're doing to innocent people.